This is how you import a module. In this case, we're importing the OS module. You just write import OS, you run the cell, and it's done. All the initialization code that is inside the module is run, and all the functions and definitions in the module are made available to you. If we want to see what was inside this module, we can use the dir keyword, which gives us a printout as a list of all the names defined within the module. Now, basically we have run this import cell twice, and we can run it once again, but the module does not get imported again, because importing a module is in principle a time-consuming operation. Python imports it only the first time, and in particular the initialization code does not get run again unless the file that defines the module is changed. So remember this: within your program you essentially import a module only once, and that's it. Now, for instance, we see that there is a function defined in the module that's called getCwd for current working directory. So if we want to call that function, we're now able to do that. We need to prepend the function with a dot and the name of the module, so os.getCwd, and then we can just call it like any other function. The output may of course depend on what your current working directory is. And another variable that's defined in this module is the sep variable here. So we can, for instance, display the content of this variable. That's a separator inside directories. If you're on a Windows system, it will be a backslash. And if we want, we can get help on the functions, for instance, by using the help keyword, which will display the docstring. So as you note, we always have to put the name of the module and the dot in front of variables and functions defined within the module. And this is because a module defines its own namespace for its functions and variables. And this is basically a way to avoid contents of the module overwriting parts of the program that you already have.